River's Edge Dog Grooming is a thriving business with small business feel. Offering affordable dog grooming and dog boarding. We make it a priority to make your best friend our familiar friend. Working with puppies or dogs in their golden years, we treat them with the best emotional care as well as professional grooming. We're proud of our services offered. We're extending our invitation to you. Try our services of boarding and dog grooming. You and your dog will enjoy us. At River's Edge Dog Grooming, it's the way we care.